everyone, my name is Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing video, a very special unboxing video, because this is my celebration, my Breyerfest celebration model, Ballynoe Castle. So we're going to be unboxing him today. And today I actually thought I would kind of do like a little tutorial video with my limited expertise. So I watch a lot of Breyer unboxing videos, and I see a lot of people struggling trying to get the horse out of the box and out of the ties. And then on top of that, like, I do not mean to hate on anybody, but on top of that, as much as you struggle, you make us watch the 8 minutes of you struggling to get the box open, okay? And so, no hate intended, you can film your videos however you want, but I thought it would be helpful to some people if I kind of shared my tips and tricks of how I get my horses out of their boxes the fastest, easiest possible way. Really quick, I want to say be sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Follow my model horse Instagram, which is Breyer Beauty 104, and let's get on with the video. So obviously, to start, you will need a Breyer horse that is still in box. You will need some scissors and potentially wire cutters, or I also like to use just some nail clippers. You can use either one, you can use both. Wire cutters, not everyone has wire cutters, and nail clippers you can find just like, you probably have them in your house, or you can get them at the dollar store for really cheap. These work really, really, really well. Also, what I want to say is that you probably want to do this on a soft surface, like on carpet or on your bed or on a towel or something. So just so that your model is safe and he doesn't smack against the ground and get scratched. It also might be handy to have a trash can, just so that you can put all of the little garbage and stuff in the trash right away. This is how my Breyer horse arrived. His outer box, the box he shipped in, had completely gotten smashed. Like, oh my goodness. He is okay, and like, this is horrifying. I don't even know how heavy whatever it was hit him. This is crazy. Something really, really heavy put a lot of pressure to make a crack that big. I mean, my gosh. He is okay. As far as I can tell, he's perfectly fine. Cute, sweet Reggie. I have special plans for this horse. It is kind of slightly unfortunate though, because I had planned to keep this box, just kind of like as a keepsake. I don't really know if I'm going to be doing that now because it got so smashed. So anyway, that was my little horror story right there. So we have Reggie here. We have my timer, and we are going to begin. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the scissors and just take that little piece of tape off right there. There is another piece of tape here. I'm going to take out the tabs very carefully. It's like performing surgery, honestly, but if you do it, if you're good at it, you can do it quickly. Then we slide him out. Oh, and this is a little bit tricky again because he got so smashed. Okay. We slide out Mr. Reggie. Look how cute he is. He is such a sweet guy. And he looks fine, except he's a little dusty. We flip it over. And as you know, we have the tabs. There's only 2 of them on here. So you pull up the paper. Then you have all of these little ties, and it's kind of like a metal wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up all of the ties so they're not laying flat. And then we are going to clip. Just take the nail clippers and clip as close as you possibly can to the box, both sides. So, like, pull up the wire and clip it. Clip, clip. And if you pull up the wire, you'll have less space, less wrapped around his legs. And the last one, just clip and clip. So now all the wires are cut really, really quick. And here we have Mr. Reggie. And like I suggested before, on a soft surface like carpet or a blanket, or because you don't want him to fall out and smack on hardwood. And Reggie is free. Let's stop the timer, and I was able to unbox him in 4 minutes, 11 seconds. Then we have a better look at Reggie. So I don't know if you can tell, like right there he's got a rub. I think that's where he got smashed. It's okay though. It doesn't really look that bad. He is heavy. Why is this model so heavy? Oh my goodness. He's really heavy. He's got the Breyer 2020 on his tummy. Oh my goodness, he is adorable. I mean, look at his sweet little face. He's adorable. Oh my gosh. He's really pretty. I did Breyer this year, so obviously I was going to get a celebration horse. And he is really, really pretty. And I do really like him. But I'm not like in love with the model, with Ballynoe Castle. He's an amazing horse. I think he's really cool. I think he's really sweet. But I'm just kind of like, okay, with the model. So a thought occurred to me. Ballynoe Castle looks almost exactly like my guy, Anthem. He's also bay. He's got a little white patch on his forehead. He's got a back foot that's white and even has the ermine spots. And so I'm like, maybe with just a few minor adjustments, I could have my own personal Anthem out of the Ballynoe Castle that already exists. And so that is kind of my plan, is to have him customized to look just like Anthem. And then I would be able to have my own personal Anthem. Okay, here's his ridiculously huge base. So we put him on like that. Wow, there is Ballynoe Castle. Oh, he's a nice looking guy. Oh, he's pretty. Okay, so I am really, really happy with this horse. Definitely interested, I still think, in making him, customizing him to look just like my friend Anthem. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you got some tips about unboxing, just so that if you like to take your horses out of the box, you can do it really, really quickly and efficiently so that you can get them out and play with them and get lots of pictures and just enjoy your horse. Gosh, can we just take one last moment to appreciate is not the right word. Like, can we just take one last moment to, like, see this horror? It's just like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so thankful that he arrived safely. So that is going to be it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye!